how to add languages on FastJobs SG. If you want to add languages to your FastJobs SG account or Singaporean account, it is very simple to do so. You first make sure to launch the FastJobs app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Once done, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you've done that, just scroll down and you can find the option called language. Tap on the language option. Then here you can see it says us to showcase what language we know. So we can tap on the add language button there. Then we can simply choose the language that we know. Over here, like English, Chinese, Tamil, Hakka, Pokin, and Hindi or Punjabi and other languages, then you can hit the save button over there. This way you should be able to add languages on your profile. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.